Look, Max. My paintbrush makes everything I draw come to life.
Are you sure that's a good idea, Luna? Last time, you made a flower that sang so loud I couldn't hear my own thoughts for a week.
Don't worry, Max. This time, I'll make something fun and quiet.
Wow, Luna, it's kind of amazing. But do you really think we should climb it?
Come on, Max. Where's your sense of adventure?
Fine, but only because you're my best friend.
Hello, travelers. Welcome to Cloud World. Are you here to help us? Help you? What kind of help do you need? Our rainbow bridge is fading. Without it, the cloud animals can't cross to the other side of the sky. Could you help us paint it back to life?
I don't know, Luna, painting a whole bridge sounds like a lot of work.
Don't worry, Max. We can do it together. Right, Sparkle? Right. And I've got magical cloud paint just for the two of you. Follow me.
Look, Luna. Each color we paint lights up like magic.
We're almost done, Max. Thank you, Luna and Max. You've saved the day, and now everyone can travel safely.
It was a lot of work, but yeah, we make a good team.
We sure do. Right, Sparkle? Absolutely. And remember, with friends by your side, you can handle any challenge.
That was amazing, Luna. I think maybe I like adventures a little bit more now.
See, Max? Sometimes, all it takes is a little courage and teamwork.
But maybe we'll keep the singing flowers to a minimum next time, huh?